Hi everybody, Andy here with eTrailer. Let's take a quick look at this RC Manufacturing Z-Series truck or trailer underbody steel toolbox with this glossy black finish. Now this is a heavy duty underbody toolbox and it's designed to mount underneath a truck or trailer, giving you a secure and weather protected place to store your tools and gear without taking up space in the bed or cargo area. So this toolbox is going to be perfect for anyone who wants extra storage without sacrificing your bed space. And because it mounts below the body, it's going to keep your tools tucked safely away, but still within easy reach. And I mentioned the weatherproof design. Because of that weatherproof design, it's going to protect your stuff inside from the rain, from the snow and road spray and the elements. And then we also have this lockable latch as well. So let me give you a closer view here. And this particular model, let me give you some measurements before we go further. So looking at the overall length, as I hope you can see, we are sitting right at 30 inches. I'm going to give that a turn there because that angle kind of makes it look more like 31, but it is going to be 30 inches long. And then in regards to the height, we are sitting at 18 inches. And then the depth, also 18 inches, as you can see there. So this is a very durable, strongly built box, so it's going to hold up really well for you. It does have about 5.6 cubic feet of storage. Now, I want to open that up here real quick. I have this unlocked. There is a lock here. You do get 2 keys, and you stick one of those keys in, you give it a half turn there. It's going to lock that handle in place. But then you turn that key again, the opposite way, halfway. You'll flip that up, give that a turn, and then this is going to come down. Now I do have a toolbox in here. As I don't know if I mentioned already, but this does have 5.6 cubic feet of storage. So I just kind of wanted to show you what something in there is going to look like. Plus it's dark in there, so it's kind of hard to see inside. I've got the instruction sheet there to kind of show you, give you an idea of the depth there. So this is built from thick steel, and it is finished in a glossy black powder coat. And we looked at that locking T-handle, and what I like about that T-handle is it does close flush, so you're not going to have to worry about accidentally getting caught on that handle when it is closed. And then we also have this durable neoprene weather seal that's going to keep that moisture, dirt, and road grime out. It's going to keep everything inside pretty clean and free from, protected from the elements. This whole unit weighs about 92 pounds, so it is heavy. It's got quite a bit of weight to it, so just be aware of that when you're getting ready to install this. And that powder coat's going to help prevent the rust and the corrosion. It's a solid, professional looking box that's going to hold up to wear and tear of everyday work. If you notice here, we do have these chains here that keep the door from opening further. And you could remove the chains if you wanted to. It's got these little brackets in there. And I even think that you could adjust it as well to where it only opens up at a certain angle. So you do have that flexibility with the chains. And I did not do this before our time together, so forgive me for turning my back towards you, but I thought it might be helpful to give you some internal dimensions if that cubic feet doesn't help you much. Looking at the internal length, I'm going to say about 29.5 inches. The internal depth, looks like we're sitting right at about, I'm going to say 16.5 inches. And then the internal height, I'm going to say about 17.5 inches. So that might be a little bit more helpful than just the internal cubic feet. And then very easy to close. It's a very solid T-handle, so nothing feels cheaply made. Everything feels really high quality. So this is going to be great for contractors, tradespeople who carry tools, chains, and straps, and they're looking for secure storage under a work truck or trailer. Fleet operators and service trucks that need durable uniform boxes for their vehicles, this will be a great option. trailer owners who want to keep their gear handy but don't want to lose deck space, or anyone who values security and weather protection for their equipment. Now, this does not include any hardware or brackets. That's something that you would have to get separately. We do carry brackets here at eTrailer that you can find on our website. But if you happen to have any other questions, don't hesitate to give us a ring. We do want to make sure that you're getting exactly what you need. Well, again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.